are there. What about remaining students? Tell them to join quickly, no? Because after so many days, I'm taking class. Last Tuesday, I didn't take class. So tell your friends to join quickly. It's already very late. Already 5 minutes over. Yes, students. Good afternoon to all of you. Yes, I congratulate all the students for successfully completion of your IoT projects, mini projects. All the students have done the projects very nice, very well. You have executed. I appreciate your effort because the IoT projects only the engineering students they do, but from 2 3 years even our MCA students have also started doing this IoT projects. But in your batch, all the students have done very nice project, all innovative projects you have done. I appreciate your effort. The same thing you can carry, you can enhance in your sixth semester also, because nowadays everywhere IoT is used in many of the companies, so you'll be having good future. So all the projects are very good. Yes, students, yes, students, as we discussed in the last class, I almost completed the syllabus. Few one or two topics I might left out in one or two in fourth module. So now we mainly concentrate on part B lab programs. Yes, students, part one lab programs we have already done. Part B lab programs I explained, and some of the queries also we have executed. And I told you part B query you have to execute the text box query. I told you to execute, and I told you try to write the query. If you are not able to write the query, I'll give you the query. No, till now nobody responded for that. So you try out. Now you understood how to create a form, how to design the form, how to take text box, labels, everything you understood. Now how to implement the query, database connection, everything you understood now. Yes, students, anybody have doubt in that? Everybody understood now how to create a form, connectivity, where we'll get the connection string, how to design the form, how to use the property window, how to use a solution explorer window, how to use a server explorer window, how to create MDF file, everything. You now, I think nobody have the doubt. So now the only thing is you have to write the query. You have to write the query in the specific button where you want to where you want to execute a particular event, where you want to that event. In that event handler you have to write the query. In that event handler you have to write the query. So first program we have completed, second program half we have done, and I told you to try the remaining queries. And today I will begin with third program, students. Today I'll start with the third program. Is my screen is visible, students? Can you all see the screen? Yes, I am not getting any responses from students. Is my voice is audible? Kelsa Idya, Nazma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Pooja. Yes, now it is clear, visible, students, my screen.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, see this PDF file. Here we have a third program. Consider the database. Consider the database of a database name is VSS. VSS stands for Vehicle Service Station. So we have a vehicle service station. So for this vehicle service station, we have to create two tables. We have to create two tables. The first table is vehicle type, and the vehicle type should contain the attributes vehicle ID. Vehicle type means vehicle ID. Vehicle type is nothing but vehicle ID, that is of type integer type. Vehicle type means whether it is four wheeler, two wheeler, three wheeler, five wheeler, six wheeler. So that is vehicle type, that is string. and the service charges. Service charges we have to enter. And the second table is service details. In the service detail ID, yes, students, you can see, no, you can see the screen. Here I am. This I am reading out. So service ID, vehicle number is a string type. Vehicle service details string type. Vehicle ID it is integer type. Yes, students, in the first table vehicle ID I'll take as a primary key. In the second table I'll take that as a reference key. So this is all about the database. Now coming to the queries, here you have to enter new service detail for the selected vehicle. If I select two-wheeler, then I have to enter the details of two-wheeler. If I select three-wheeler, then I have to enter the details of three-wheeler. So in the combo box, you have to select. So now after that, update the existing service charges in charges to database. So some of the initial charges are given. See, so we have to update the service charges, and the third table is total service charges collected for the selected vehicle. If I select two-wheeler, then for two-wheeler, how much the service charge has collected. If I take four-wheeler, sorry, for four-wheeler, how much amount we have collected. So that should be displayed in the text box. So this is the problem statement. And students, one more thing here is, here they have given one note. So what is that note is, vehicle type is a static table. So vehicle type table. So we should not enter other data. So whatever the data they have given, so that we have to use as a static table, which is containing the following rows. That is, first row is serial number 1, two-wheeler, and the service charge is 500. Next, vehicle ID 2, the vehicle type is four-wheeler, and the service charge is 1000 rupees. And the third row, the vehicle ID is 3, and the vehicle type is three-wheeler, and the vehicle service charge is 700. This is the question, students. Yes, clear with the question? Question artha aita ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ? So first you have to create a database. That database has two tables. Here table ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. One table ಅಲ್ಲಿ, first table ಅಲ್ಲಿ, what all the entries we have to take? They have given static. So we have to take only these entries. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So second table ಅಲ್ಲಿ, in second table, service ID, vehicle number, service details, and the vehicle ID. This we have to take. So this is the question. Yes, students, understood the question? Question artha aita? Respond, no. If you don't respond, then how I'll understand? I'll get a doubt whether you people are at least listening or not. ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ at least ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes, students, at least you people are listening. If you are not responding also fine, but I have a doubt whether you people are listening or not. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, students, this is the third program. So in this third program, first I have taken form 1. So nodi illi, this is form 1. So what this form 1 contains? See, question illi ide nodi. So for this form 1, we have to create two tables, vehicle type table and service details table. So first we'll begin with the database, that is Server Explorer. If Server Explorer is not present in the monitor, sorry. So here you can see now where I'm pointing the mouse pointer. Here you can find the Server Explorer. If the Server Explorer is not here, then go to view and click on Server Explorer. So a Server Explorer window will open. So you know how to create a MDF file. Gotalva? Anybody have doubt? So I have created a MDF file. The MDF file is VSS, Vehicle Service. Vehicle Service Station. So VSS, in short, I have written VSS. So this VSS contains the tables. Which are the tables it contain? The service details and the vehicle type. Service details, the attributes of service details is ID service, means service ID. Yes, students, you can see the screen, no? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಾನು ಏನೇನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Yes, ma'am.
So service details, service ID, vehicle number, service details, and ID vehicle type. So these are the attributes of table 1. Coming to table 2, see students, table 2 in the question only he has given that we have to take a static value, static table value, that is ID is 1 for 2-wheeler and the service charge is 500. ID is 2 for 4-wheeler and the service charge is 1000. ID is 3 for 3-wheeler and the service charge is 700. So the same thing we have to take in the table. I'll show you the table. Yes, the same thing I have taken in the table. 2-wheeler, 3-wheeler, and 4-wheeler. So now your second table contains 3 fields, 3 entries, that is 1 for vehicle ID, 1 for 2-wheeler, vehicle ID 2 for 4-wheeler, vehicle ID 3 for 3-wheeler, and even with the service charges. So 2 tables I have created, students. Now coming to the design part. Yes, understood the database? Any doubt in the database, students? Any doubt idya? Okay. So next, coming to the form, the first form, it contains it contains the ID service. So service ID, vehicle number, service details, and ID vehicle. Yes, students. So these 4 fields we have, and I have taken the grid view, data grid view. Why I have taken the data grid view, students? Any idea? Why I have taken data grid view is to display the details once I enter into the database. To display on the monitor, I have taken the grid view. So here to display that, I have a display button. To submit the details, I have a submit button. And to go to the, see students here, we'll come back to the question once again. Here what we have to do is enter the new service details for the selected vehicle type, and update the existing service charges to the database and total service charge. So for this I have taken 3 forms. First form is for entry, second form is for update, and third form is for total services. For total services I have taken. So here what is the first question? What is the first question is, you have to enter the new service detail for the selected vehicle. So here what I do is, how I have to select the vehicle type? With a combo box. Vehicle type I have to select with a combo box. So now what I do is, here I have taken a service ID, vehicle number, vehicles service details, and vehicle ID is there. Now what I have to include? What I have to include in this? Respond. What I have to include in this? Hey. Yes, students, you are not understanding what we have to include in this. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ by seeing the question? Respond, students. Yes, you people are understanding or not? Yes, students. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅಜಯ್, ಚೇತನಾ, ಅಜಯ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಚೇತನಾ, are you there, Chetana?
Yes, ma'am. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Yes, I am not getting a
Yes,
response.
ma'am.
See here, students. So in the question, what they have told is we have to enter the new service details, service detail for the selected vehicle, and how I have to take the selected vehicle is with the combo box. So still I have not included that combo box here. So first I'll run and I'll show this, and then I'll include the combo box. See here, I am taking the service ID, vehicle number, vehicle detail, service details, and vehicle ID. So once I click on this, so that will be displayed in this grid box. Once I click on that, so that will be displayed in the grid box. That will be stored in the database, and when I click on the display button, so that will show in the this grid data grid view, and I have the update form and service details form. So first I'll show this submit button. So in the submit button, what query I have written is yes, students, see the code. This is a simple insert query. I have already explained this. See, in the service table, I am inserting the details of ID service, vehicle number, service details, and ID vehicle type. So with the text box 1, 2, 3, 4, I am inserting and execute non-query, and once the data is inserted successfully, it will display this message. This you know. And again, to display the data in the grid box, grid view, so I have written this code. Yes, this code you know already. We have I have explained in the other program, in the first and second program I have explained. This is very simple. Select start from the service details table, and that will be shown in the data grid view. Once again, students, I'll execute and show you. See here, service ID 101, vehicle number KA02, A02, A11, service details, oil change. So what service I have to do? That is oil change service we have to do, and the vehicle ID 2. What is the vehicle ID 2? Which means it will come for 4-wheeler, alva? Vehicle ID 2 is for 4-wheeler. In the question you can see vehicle ID 2 is for 4-wheeler. So submit. So the data is inserted successfully. Click on OK button, and now click on display button. Yes, students, here previously I have inserted 3 records. The 4th record I have inserted with the service ID 101, vehicle number KA02, A11, and oil change, and the vehicle type is, vehicle ID is 2. Vehicle ID is 2. Ishta artha aita? Now we'll include a combo box in the form 1. We'll include a combo box in the form 1, and that combo box is for vehicle type. Where is a toolbox? Okay, go to toolbox, select the label, take one label. So this label is for vehicle type. Go to properties and change the text. Vehicle type, which the vehicle type is selected from the combo box. Sorry, this I have taken checkbox. Combo box. Yes, students, do you remember how to append the database with the combo box? Anybody can tell what procedure, what steps I have to do now? What steps I have to do now? Any answer? Once again, students. Yes, students. Now is the combo box is visible? Kaanasta idea combo box. Do we have any values in the combo box? Like whether the vehicle type is 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler, 3-wheeler, 6-wheeler, 10-wheeler. Another barta idea? Barta idea? No. Why it is not coming? How it should come? What we have to do to show this to show 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler, 3-wheeler here? Anybody knows? Any answer? Last lab alli ನಾನು explain ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. In the last lab I have explained. Okay, students, once again I'm repeating. Please listen carefully. See here, select the combo box, students. Click on the triangle. Click on the triangle. Click on the triangle button. Use data bound items. Use data bound items. It's select ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Select the first one. So next, data source. So initially the data source will be null. Initially the data source is null because still I have not attached any data source to this combo box. So select data project data source. Add project data source. So select. We don't want service object SharePoint. We need here database. Next. Here, see students, one thing you can observe here, if you can see this connection string now, if you click on the plus symbol, you can find the same connection string which we have copied from the server explorer. Server explorer hogi now properties window hogi now ಏನು connection string ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು same connection string here we will find. And here the VSS connection string, are we using the same database? Yes, students, are we using the same database? Yes, we are using the same database. Click on next button. Here we have a tables. And what text what is now we need a vehicle type. Vehicle type ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಇದೆ? 2-wheeler, 3-wheeler, 4-wheeler. So Click on finish. Click on something went wrong. Wait, students, I'll repeat. Yes, students, part B programs are very simple, but it is little lengthy. The procedure you have to do follow very carefully. If you miss a small thing, or if you do any silly mistakes also, it will not give a correct output, students. See, now I think you are observing what changes I am doing. So suddenly the program got terminated. Yes, students, now you can see, no? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇವಾಗ 2-wheeler 4-wheeler ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Yes. Now I'll include 3-wheeler details. Service ID 20, vehicle number AA01 B11, service details. ಏನ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು? What type of service? Oil change, 3-wheeler, water wash. So vehicle ID, 2-wheeler 3-wheeler ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. 3-wheeler vehicle ID ಏನಿದೆ? 3. Correct, no? Submit. So the data is inserted. Click on OK button. Display. Yes. Banta, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು next value. Yes, students, whether it has entry ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes, students, understood? Understood? Please respond. So now we are done with form 1. So first query we have executed successfully. First query aita. Next, update the existing service charges to database. So update the existing service charges. So for that I have taken a update form. Yes, students, one more thing here. You can see here. I'll run and show. See here, when I clicking on update form, it is going to this update form. When I'm clicking on form 1, one second. I think still I have not given a link here. Yes, students, here what I am doing is I have given the link from one form to other form. So how to give the link? I have already explained. Once again, I am explaining. Now I am in form 1. If I click on update form, then it should redirect to next form. Which is that next form? That is update form. So what code I have to write here is the form name, ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನೇಮ್ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ total, sorry, update form name I have given. So update is a form name, form is a object, and here the form name means here we have I have created a object of the form, and form dot show means when I click on that button, so that this particular update form will be shown. If I click on this next button, what is that next button? The next button is design. The next button is total service. If I click on total service button, then it should redirect to the total service page. That is third page. Yes, students, here I have taken 3 pages. In the first page, I am inserting the details. In the first page, I am taking the service details. In the second page, I am updating the file. And in the third page, I am calculating the total services. I am calculating. So first, here, yes, understood. Understood how we are how we are writing the code for submit button, display button, clear button. So clear button is, I told you why we write a clear button. So clear text box 2 dot clear text box 3 dot clear text box 4 dot clear. So 4-wheeler service ID 10, vehicle number KA01B22, service details, brake change. I want to change the brake. Vehicle ID is, for 4-wheeler, what is the vehicle ID? 2. So submit. Now next, once again, and one more vehicle details I want to insert. So already I have service ID. What I have to do each time, I have to clear the each text box. So now I have the clear button. When I click on the clear button, whatever the entries, whatever the details are there in the particular text box, that will be erased. So service ID, next to 2-wheeler service ID 25, vehicle number KA22P10, service details, wheel change. So I want to change the wheel. So vehicle ID is in Bharata 1. Submit. So clear. Display. Yes, students, the table has updated. The grid view has updated. Understood? Understood first form? Next, second form. Second form is update form. So in the update form, what I have taken is vehicle type, service ID, service charges. So in the second form, what I have taken is, so we have to insert the service ID and service charges for this particular vehicle type. The vehicle type may be 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler, or 6-wheeler, 3-wheeler. Yes, students, here you cannot find any vehicle type. Why? Still, we have not appended vehicle type. Just two-wheeler, four-wheeler, three-wheeler. Service ID. Service ID. Service ID. Wait, first I'll check with the database. I'll load on some of the details. Service ID. Paper Explorer. Service ID. Service ID 2. I'll take down one sheet. Service ID 2. Vehicle number KA 38800. One second, students. I think I have removed the code. Shashi, sir. Shashi. Hmm. हाँ सर. Church. Okay, students, here it is showing some error. I'll check this error. Still here you understood, students, how to use the combo box and how to link the combo box with the database? Yes, students, all of you understood? Respond. Okay, students, I'll stop here. The remaining queries I'll explain in the next class. Remaining queries I'll do it in the next class, students. Yes, students, again, I'm telling in the next lab, all the students should share your screen and you have to show me how many programs you have executed and how many forms you have created. It's Murugesh. Murugesh.
Yes, ma'am.
How many queries you have executed, Murugesh?
Ma'am, last lab, how much we did in class, that much I completed, ma'am.
First one I have completed.
First one, ma'am.
First one ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. First one have you completed first one?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದು ಕ್ವೈರೀಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಅದು
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಕ್ವೆರೀಸ್ ಮೇನ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಯಶಸ್ವಿನಿ, ಯಶಸ್ವಿನಿ, ವಿಶಾಲ್, ವಿಶಾಲ್, Vishal, can you hear me, Vishal? Spurti? Okay, students, answer your attendance. Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
ಎಷ್ಟು queries execute ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು programs ಮಾಡಿದೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ program complete ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Queries ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಅಜಯ್?
Yes, ma'am.
How many programs you have executed, Ajay?
First program complete, ma'am.
Complete ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸರಿ. Second and third also you try.
Okay, ma'am.
Amit? Amit? Apurva?
Ma'am, Antima?
Antima?
Present, ma'am.
Antima, how many programs you have executed?
First program, ma'am.
All the queries you have executed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Apurva? Apurva? USN 6, absent. Ashwini? Ashwini? Bindu?
Yes, ma'am.
Bindu, how many programs have first program have you completed, Bindu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next week you have to share your screen and you have to show all the students have to share your screen and you have to show the output. Divyesh? Gaurish? Gaurish? Gautami?
Present, ma'am.
Gautami, how many programs have executed?
Part A I finished, ma'am.
I'm asking about part B.
Ma'am, part B I need to start, ma'am.
When you will start?
Ma'am, today I'll do, ma'am.
Why today? Why you have not seen almost 5-6 labs? I have wasted how to create and how to do the connectivity.
Ma'am, my laptop was not good, ma'am, so I was not able to do.
One or the other reason you will tell. Okay, mute yourself. Gunashekar. Gunashekar. Harini. Harini. Absent. Surya. Surya. Nayana. Nazma.
Present, ma'am.
Nazma, ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮು?
Yes, ma'am. I too, ma'am. First program. Thank you.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Okay, ma'am.
ನಿಧಿ. ನಿಧಿ. ಪ್ರದೀಪ್. ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್? ಆಯ್ತಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರ್ಸ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ. ರಾಜೇಶ್.
Present, ma'am.
Have you completed first program, Rajesh?
Ma'am, I need to execute the queries, ma'am. I'll do it by next class, ma'am.
Okay, don't. Next week we have to show you have another 3-4 days
Surely,
time.
ma'am.
By next week you have to show me the output.
Yes,
Sahadev.
ma'am.
Ma'am, roll number 20.
Yes. Preeti.
Present.
Preeti, how many programs you have executed?
Ma'am,
First one
first.
complete aita.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Saket.
Present, ma'am.
Have you completed first one? First one complete aita pa? Yes, students, I have completed theory syllabus. So now every day you have to share your screen, and you have to show me what all you are doing in part B programs. So you cannot say that simply I have executed first program, second program. You cannot say like that. Any lies you should not say. If you have executed, you have to share your screen, and you have to show the output.
Ma'am,
Santosh.
25 present, ma'am. I got this.
I marked. I asked you, have you executed first program?
I executed, ma'am, first one.
Next lab, will you show the output?
Yes, ma'am, also.
Okay. Santosh. Okay, ಜನ absent ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಅಜಯ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೀಮಾ.
Yes, ma'am.
ಸಿಂಚನಾ.
Present, ma'am.
ಸೀಮಾ, how many programs? ಸಿಂಚನಾ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾಮ್ಮ?
First, ma'am, part B first program, ma'am.
ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೀಮಾ.
Yes, ma'am. First program.
Okay. ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ.
Present, ma'am.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ?
Yes, ma'am, ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಶಶಾಂಕ್.
Present, ma'am.
Shashank.
Present, ma'am.
Completed your first program?
Yes, ma'am, that day only I completed.
Okay. Varsha? Varsha absent. Yashashwini?
Present, ma'am.
When I called your name that time, why you didn't respond? I asked you, have you completed first program? That time you didn't respond.
Ma'am, I was not able to hear.
Okay. Amruta?
Present, ma'am.
Anusha? Anusha? Apurva?
Present, ma'am.
Sai Siddharth? Sai Siddharth. Chetana?
Present, ma'am.
Kavya? Kavya? Madhu?
Present, ma'am.
Manish,
Present, ma'am.
Sarfaraz,
Present, ma'am.
Murugesh,
Present, ma'am.
Mani, Paresh, Pooja,
Present, ma'am.
Prashant. Okay, Prashant. Prashant absent. Pratibha,
Present, ma'am.
Pratik,
Present, ma'am.
Sadhana. Again, this girl started bunking. Huh? Shashank, Shraddha,
Present, ma'am.
Sridhar, Sridhar absent. Tanuj, Tejaswini,
Present, ma'am.
Umehani,
Present, ma'am.
Ashish,
Present, ma'am.
Vidya,
Present, ma'am.
Vishal.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, students, once again, I'm repeating. Next lab, you have to share your screen and you have to show me the output of first program. Okay? Okay, students, I'll stop here.